Albert Cash Advance stuck on pending usually happens when the app is still verifying your banking activity, your eligibility status hasn't refreshed yet, or the system is holding the request for a short security review. By the end, you'll know why it stays pending, what actually triggers approval, and the exact steps that usually push it through. Start with the most common cause. A pending status in Albert Cash Advance usually means your request hasn't finished internal verification yet. Now explain what that means. Albert checks your account activity, bank connection, and risk signals before approving or rejecting the advance. Now explain the first fix. Open the Albert app and fully close the Cash Advance screen, then reopen it. Now explain why. This forces a fresh eligibility check instead of showing a stuck pending status. Now move to Bank Sync. A delayed or unstable bank connection is one of the biggest reasons cash advances stay pending. Now explain what to do. Go to your connected bank section and confirm that your account is fully synced without any warning or error messages. Now explain another cause. If your bank was recently added or changed, the system may still be building your transaction history. Now, explain what it means. During that time, cash advance requests often remain pending until enough data is collected. Now, give the next step. Daria. Avoid switching bank accounts repeatedly while your request is processing. Now explain timing factor. High traffic or system delays inside the app can also slow down approval processing. Now explain what to do. Waiting a short period before retrying is often more effective than repeatedly submitting new requests. Now, explain device issue. Logging in from multiple devices at the same time can cause the request to stay in a pending loop. Now explain fix. Stick to one device while the cash advance request is processing. Now, explain app version issue. Outdated app versions can also cause delays in status updates. Now, explain fix. Update Albert to the latest version before retrying any cash advance request. Now explain limitation clearly. Some pending requests will eventually convert to a decline if eligibility requirements are not met. Now explain what that means. That process is automatic and cannot be manually sped up inside the app. Now summarize the core idea. Albert Cash Advance pending status usually comes from incomplete bank verification, syncing delays, or eligibility checks still processing. Fixing bank connection issues and stabilizing account activity helps clear most pending cases. And in some situations, the system will complete its decision without user intervention. One practical next step. Check your bank sync status, update the app, and wait 24 to 48 hours before submitting another cash advance request. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more clear fixes for financial app delays and approval issues without confusion.